Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we're gonna to make visible our app ViewController LifeCycle with VCLLoggingViewController file. Of course, you can find source code in comment below. And yes, let's start our project. So before then, I would like to show you, I already wrote this, and we gonna, where is the life cycle? Here we go. We're gonna run this and show you how we can how will what will be output of our app. So here we have command. As soon as what app is loading, you will see first init and then awake from nib and then viewDidLoad, viewWillAppear, viewLayoutSubviews, and all of this gonna run until you see this page. And when you go through, for example, we go to second page, then you will see for second page what's happened. So actually this is the first page. If you go to second page, we go back to the first page, you will see all, go to the main page, so you will see which functions will run in any of our view controllers. This is very useful. I strongly recommend you to make this app and run it and test it out to get understanding of application one iOS app life cycle. Is very important for your interview question, also for you to writing better codes, because in some point some part which is related to view should be, for example, in viewDidLoad, but some of them should be in viewWillAppear. In DidLoad gonna be not too soon for doing that. So, okay, so let's start and write this project. So file, new project, single view app as usual, and iOS Swift, and I name it life. Yeah, I name it LifeCycle. And yeah, I just create a GitHub repository to be able to have it. Okay, so available for you folks. Okay, so what we will into we have one view controller. I want to add two more view controller. So file, I use Cocoa Touch class, and here view controller. So I just make one for first. Not UI split view, right? That should be UI view controller from type of UI view controller. So first view controller, then the other one will create it, and same way that we have view controller, I'm gonna add another one. Cocoa Touch class, this one second. Okay, we need one file by the name of VCL login as a view controller, and to get that, you can go to the comment below and you can go to our repository. When you go to the source, here you will have list of all of our repositories. So here you just need to type life cycle, then you can go to the source code of today video, and here you can go and pick up VCLLoggingViewController. So you can open it, go to raw, and then from here right click, save page as I download this in download and save it here. say it's save plain text. You get this warning, the name is appear to have an extension. Do you want to append that text to the name? Don't append. So then we will have this. So when you download that, then you just need to go to Finder and then open your Xcode. So from Finder, you're gonna only drag this to here, and then here you say make a copy, create folder required. So make a copy, it's important to have it here. So now we have this in our project. So what I'm gonna do, the only things I need to do, I'll go to my view controller, and what I do, instead of UI view controller, just say VCL logging view controller. So I make all of this to be VCL instead of view controller. So VCL logging view controller and VCL logging view controller. Okay. And also we need to add one function to all of them. So VCL logging. We're gonna override this with this computed property, which is return main. That's it. So I'm gonna add this to all other two. This one gonna be second. Well, actually this one should be first. And view controller gonna be me. Yeah. So we have all of this, but we didn't make our views view controller now. So we have only one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add two more view controllers. So from here, view controller, I'm gonna drag, drop here, and another one. Okay, so now I need to make those buttons to navigate between these view controllers. So what I need one stack view, vertical stack view. I drop it here, make it to be center, vertical and horizontal, but it still is not good enough. So we need to have to constrain about that, constrain for that. To give size of this. So control drag equal width and control drag equal height. But I don't want to fill all, so I just say, for example, 60% of width and 60% from height. Even height could be less, 40%. Yeah. So now I'm gonna drop button in there. So I add one button here. Okay, I name this. I come to attributes, and this gonna be first page, and I'm gonna give it background color, for example green. Then I'm gonna copy Command C, Command V, make a copy of that. So this one gonna be second. Actually, I change background color, and gonna be second page. And also I give it a title. Oops, sorry. Label. So I draw one label. I want to put this label on top, so I can do it like this, or I can drop it here. And yes, and just this label gonna be main page. Yes, and gonna be center. I want this this gets maximum size because this in this stack view. So what I'm gonna do, I'm coming to inspector tab, and here I make vertical content hugging parity to 249. So this one gets majority. Or I can come to this stack view and say distribution fill equal. This is another idea, but I would like this. Okay. So what I need to do, I'm gonna copy of this. Command C, I'll come to my other views and drop this in these two. And now I just need to make it to be center and give it some width and height. So control to this one to super view equal. I do it from different angle to give you idea how you can do it. And for each I do it in different way. Don't be confused. Just this is different several way. You can do this. So equal hit, and then again I'm gonna make width to be multiple 0.6 or 60% and height 0.4. For this one as well, to this view equal width equal height. Okay, and it's supposed to be center, vertical and horizontal. So now we're good, and yes, 60% from width and 40% from height. But this page is our which one? We want to be our first page, so I come here, and from this class I pick up first view controller, and then I'll come here and make this first page. And so this one gonna be second view controller, and this gonna be, I don't know why I always push in capital, second page. Okay, so now this one goes to first, and this one goes to main page, and this one goes to second, this one goes back to main page. Okay, so we can do it programmatically, but to do it quickly, I'll do it by storyboard. So it's pretty easy. Just control drag from this button to this view and say show, and from this one as well control drag sorry, Command Z, yeah, Control, no, from this, you can do it from here as well, Control to this one, so gonna be show. And for first, Command, sorry, Control drag, this one goes to first, and this one goes to main. So this one goes to main, and Control drag from, oops, sorry, Command Z, or edit undo move button. So from this one, Control to this one, so show. Okay, so we are good, and now we want to see the result. So what I do now, I'll go to this one. I just say run it on iPhone 5s, which I have right now open, and I'm gonna run this. So output will be here, and then in console we can see process. Yes, here you go. So I make this like that and make this console bigger so you will see. I want to review with you guys. Just look at this. In main page, first we will open init, so it's creating, and then awake for nib. You may never use that, but it's good to know that you have this. You can add this in your, override this function in your viewDidLoad. Even it will run before viewDidLoad. If you sorry, in ViewController, then it will run before viewDidLoad. Then you will run viewDidLoad, and then you will run viewWillAppear. So you start to will appear. So it's good for adding some things that you want to come at the appear time. And viewWillLayoutSubviews, viewDidLayoutSubviews. This is something that is good for you to when your orientation change, it will come. So here you see I change orientations, and it run for me viewWillTransition, viewWillLayoutSubviews, you will see, and viewDidLayoutSubviews, view actually begin animation and animation. And so we change orientation and again this. So you will see that if your animation orientation change, why this way you can update some items in your screen, your view, depend of the new orientation. Oh yeah. And so now I'll go to, for example, first page, and I'll come back to main page. I'll go to second page, I'll go to first page. You will see that it will go and tell you all of this. This is very useful for you to understand view controller lifecycle. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up. Before I before I end up this video, I would like to come here and going back to my GitHub. In this GitHub, now after a while that we have 157 respiratory here, and all of these projects are guaranteed to work, but in the same version of the Swift and iOS. In newer version, you need to make some change, because slowly they're gonna moving to make Swift more functional. So something gonna be disappearing, something renaming, so you need to do some change. But it in the same time, all of these respiratories got running, and on video you can see that. So in this one, you can type whatever you want. So you can type button, and in button you will get all of the project that are working, and it's about, and they have button in there. And for example, for example this one, IB design, UI, UI button customize, or if you're looking for example LifeCycle, so you can pick up this. Life is like that, or you want to do some animation, core animation pulsing. This is some one project that make your button as a circle, and when you tap it, it's gonna pulse it. Or AR kit animation, which is my most famous animation. Or if you want to anything, test, I have something for that. So test sample, unit test, and UI test. So and it's gonna be more, any video I add, I'm gonna add in this. So that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to be subscribed in this channel. You will have projects that already running in the same version, and iOS that at the time I made this was working, and majority of them working now even. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment below. Any project you are interested, you can just put in comment. I'm gonna do it for you. And I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Don't forget to watch the other videos. Thank you. Bye.